Hi, if you need help locating information on your topic, on the library's homepage, you can use the Search Everything box. This locates articles from journals, magazines, newspapers, books, movies, etc. So the very first thing you do is just type in your topic, like food deserts, and if you have a phrase, put those in quotation marks of 2 or 3 words. And then if you have like something besides just everything about food deserts, like you also want to know how to prevent those, then you need to put the word and in between those. So this means it has to find something about food deserts and something about prevention. And then if I click search, this will search for information on the topic within our databases. I've got about 659 results. And within this, you can say automatically you want full text articles. You can look at time, 12 months, 5 years, within the last 10 years. If you want more specific, I'll show you a location where you can put specific dates in there in a minute. Source type, and you can select more than one. Like, do you only want 126 journals on the topic? Do you want only ebooks on the topic? Maybe you also want newspapers, etc. You can mark those. And if you are required to use peer-reviewed academic journals, those are things that have been reviewed by people in the discipline before they've been published. That's where you can check mark that. There are additional filters on this. You can click on all filters. And this is where, if you want more than just 5 or 10 years, you can use a custom range. There's also source types. Again, you can mark that. Then there is a choice for language. So if you only speak English, you can mark that. And then there is a choice for content provider, if you only want a specific database, etc. But whenever you're ready, you just say apply. And now I'm down to 241 articles on that topic. And you can access it there, or you can look at access options if it's not in this database. Maybe this is something that's free out on the web from a journal. I can click on that and it will take me to that. Or if you have an option of reading that through full text or PDF, you can do that also. Pay attention when you find a good resource to the subjects that they use in that. So for example, maybe instead of the word food deserts, I should have used the word food security. And if I type that and prevention, then I might start to see better results on my topic. If I only want books and ebooks and media on my topic, I can use the books and media tab. And again, I can type my topic. And again, if it's a phrase, you can put that in quotes and search. And then I'm going to see in here, for example, this one's an electronic resource. This would be an ebook. This one would be a print book, and I can click on view details, and it tells me that that's an Owens Library on the 3rd floor, and it gives me the call number where I can get that. And I can, again, look for more that way. Again, you can view details, see where that book is located at, etc. If you want different formats, like I only wanted print books, I can do that. Only wanted ebooks, I could do that. If I only wanted books that are available, not already checked out, I could do that. Only wanted books in English, I could limit by that. Only within specific years, I could choose that. If you don't find enough results or don't like the results that you're locating, you can also click on Mobius. This searches the shared catalog across the state of Missouri and several surrounding areas. And so now instead of 28, I have 789 options. And again, you can filter those. When you find one that looks good, I can click on that title. And if I want that sent to our library for free, this one's currently at Webster University, I can click on place a hold and then fill out that information with your name and have that sent to our library. And then we will send you an email when that is available for pickup. Another great place to locate information on your topic, specifically statistics, is by going to databases, choosing S, and going to Statista. This database, you can type in a topic like food security and search. And like number of food secure and insecure individuals in US, I can click on that. And it's going to pull up a table or a chart that then I can share. I can place in a PDF or a ping. I can have it in a PowerPoint. There's a citation option there, and you can choose your citation style that I can copy. Some of them are just tables. Some of them, like this one, instead of just a specific statistic, it's a whole report of multiple statistics within that that then I can download. If you have any questions on any topic, need help finding information, you can stop at the library services desk and ask for help from a librarian, or you can click on chat now. You can type in any topic like, hi, I need help finding 5 peer-reviewed sources on food insecurity. And a librarian will look for information on the topic and help you locate. They'll either send you back some links, a search, specific database to use, step-by-step directions, etc., so that you have enough information on your topic. Just let us know how we can help you, and don't struggle looking for information.